Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Engineering Shops Collective of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant develop critical equipment for raw material division. And program on basic managerial skill held. Coming to the news in details, the committed employees of the engineering shops of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant have successfully developed critical equipment for the raw material division of SAIL by using in-house resources. The company would have to spend Rs 2.4 crores for procuring the items from market. It may be noted that Komatsu excavator pin is vital component which is used as a key spare for smooth operation of the Komatsu machine. The Komatsu machine is generally used for excavation purpose in raw material division. Non-availability of pins would have seriously affected the production in raw material division. In order to provide the spares to the raw material division within stipulated time period, the Engineering Shops Collective took up the challenging assignment. 30 pins of different sizes and length were developed in-house in the mechanical shop, heat treated in repair shop mechanical, and special fixture for its heat treatment was fabricated in structural and fabrication shop. It is worth mentioning that the entire job has been successfully completed in 180 days. Mr. A.V. Rajshekhar, CGM Mechanical, was present in the mechanical shop at the time of handing over these spares to the team from RMD. Many senior officers of the shops were also present, adhering to the norms pertaining to COVID-19. While talking to RSTV, the officers of RMD, namely Mr. B.K. Sahu, Senior Manager Mechanical RMD, Mr. Saroj Kumar Sahu, Senior Manager Mechanical RMD, said,
हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम RSPI थ्रो में कुछ पिन बनाने के लिए कोशिश किए, सक्सेसफुली वो पिन सब बन गया, ट्रीटमेंट हो गया, इसलिए हम इसको रिसीव करके जा रहा है। टोटल कॉस्ट इसका हम लोग अगर OEM से खरीदते हैं अराउंड 2.4 करोड़ लगता है। आज ये हम लोग का इन हाउस बन रहा है, तो हम लोग बहुत खुशी है कि हम लोग फ्री में इन हाउस बना के फ्री में पिन लेके जा रहा है। हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे, इसका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा होगा। ऑलरेडी ट्रीटमेंट जो रिक्वायर्ड ट्रीटमेंट हो चुका है।
मैकेनिकल सब टीम को धन्यवाद देते हैं और ख़ास करके शेखर नारायण सर, जिनका इतना मेहनत के बदौलत आज ये काम सक्सेस हो पाया है, और इसके लिए मैं SAIL RSP को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ।
A two-day program on basic managerial skill was held at CPTI on 24th and 25th November. Mr. P. Murli, the then CGM in charge of hot strip mill, presided over the valedictory session. 19 recently promoted assistant managers attended the session that was organized in adherence to COVID-19 protocols. The session aimed at equipping the executives with basic knowledge and skill required for the day-to-day functioning of the department. The sessions included topics on communication skill, business writing skills, developing subordinates, leadership and monitoring, decision making, team management, and developing officer-like quality or traits. The sessions were conducted by the HRD team under the guidance of Ms. Rajashri Banerjee, GM in charge HRD. The program was coordinated by Mr. Shivarajan, GM HRD. That's all from our news desk today. Namaskar.